So I just got this text. With T-Mobile Money, you can say goodbye to overdraft fees and say hello to zero checking account fees. So is T-Mobile a bank now? What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts where I cover all things money. In today's video, we're gonna cover T-Mobile Money. As I just stated, I just received that text and not sure exactly what it is. Is it a bank? Is it a credit card? And most importantly, is it worth your time? Let's find out. So I'm here at tmobilemoney.com. As I skim through the website, there's a lot to unpack here. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Off the top, it says better online banking with T-Mobile Money. Great. Take your money further. No overdraft fees, no account fees, and 55,000 no-fee ATMs. Get paid up to 2 days earlier with payroll direct deposit. Now, let me just say, getting paid up to 2 days earlier doesn't mean paid 2 days earlier than other banks. All it means is getting paid 2 days earlier than a paper check. Every bank, for the most part, has the same time frame for direct deposit. Got your back overdraft protection up to $50. All customers earn 1% APY on all balances. Earn up to 4% APY with a little asterisk next to it. Stay secure with FDIC insurance. Every bank is going to be FDIC insured, so that's nothing special here. Say goodbye to account fees. All right, let's check that out. So we have all these different banks here: Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo, from $10 to $12 account fees. And your T-Mobile is going to have a $0 monthly fee, no account balance minimum, and free overdraft protection. So the way you're going to sign up for T-Mobile Money is either through the app or through the website. And all you need to qualify is be at least 18 years of age, your SSN, and a valid ID. So there's a few different ways to add money to this account. The first is direct deposit from your employer. And I'm not sure why they don't mention this or use it as a selling feature, because not every bank offers this. The second is mobile check deposit. The third is cash. You would think, since this is a T-Mobile card, you can walk into a T-Mobile store and deposit cash. You give them cash and they put it in your account, but no, that's not the way it works. You're gonna have to go to somewhere like Walmart, CVS, or Walgreens. They're gonna charge you a fee of up to $5, and then you're gonna have that money, whatever it is, $100, $500, deposited into your account. Look at this, there's a few more ways to deposit money. You can link an external bank account and transfer money over, which leads to the question, if you have an external bank account or a different bank account, why would you need this account? Or another way to deposit cash is take out a money order and use that as a mobile check deposit, and it'll go into your account instantly. But the hassle of going through the extra step of having to take out a money order to deposit cash just doesn't seem like it's worth it to me. So what makes T-Mobile Money different? Let's check that out. We love our customers and we want to offer better money. So we built a checking account where you can get paid up to 2 days earlier. All right, that's the second time they put that here. Let your money work harder. If you're a T-Mobile customer, you're gonna be eligible to earn up to 4% APY on balances up to $3,000. So what that means is if you have $5,000 in the bank and you qualify for the 4% APY on the first $3,000, you're gonna receive that 4% APY, and that remainder $2,000, you're gonna receive 1% APY. If you're not a T-Mobile customer and just wanna enroll in T-Mobile Money, you'll be able to earn up to 1% APY on all balances. Set up payroll direct deposit and get paid early. This is the third time I see this. I'm starting to smell a little bit of a cash grab, because across the board, general features on every bank, something that you wouldn't put as your selling point, I've already seen here 3 times, which means they might not have a lot of features that might make you want to get this card. So let's keep reading here. Rest easy, your money is secure. You're FDIC insured. Okay, this goes back to the point I just made. This is standard across the board stuff. This is not something you would put as your selling point. Every bank is FDIC insured. I believe you have to be FDIC insured to be a legitimate bank. So this is not something that would be a selling point. Powered by BMT, accounts provided by Customers Bank. Now, what is this? What is BMT? Let's check it out. So BMT is a digital banking platform, your very own bank made to order. T-Mobile is slapping their name, is slapping their brand on this BMT product here. So theoretically, you can open your own bank. BMT is like the IT department, right? They're the ones that put everything together, the app, the card, the marketing, the customer support, but your money still has to be somewhere. It still has to be parked somewhere. It still has to be insured somewhere. That's where Customers Bank comes in. So I went on that Customer Bank website and check this out. It looks a little bit stock photo-y. It looks a little bit generic. I can probably pay somebody $10 on Fiverr to make me the same website here. It really doesn't give me too much information, but check this out. If I go to enroll, it asks me for my last name, DOB, and SSN. So I'm just gonna give this random bank my SSN and DOB right off the bat. I don't think so. I'm not saying this is not a real bank, because obviously T-Mobile wouldn't partner with a fake bank, but it just looks kind of sketchy. So when you call customer support for T-Mobile Money, you're not gonna get T-Mobile. You're either gonna get BMT or customer's bank. More than likely, you're gonna get BMT. What's the difference? Because all call centers are from overseas anyway? Well, the difference is customer service might not be up to the same standard and oversight as T-Mobile. So I only see two things here that would kind of, but not really, differentiate them from other banks or other fintech banking products, and that would be the $50 got your back overdraft protection and the $4 or 4% APY on balances up to $3,000. So the way you're gonna qualify for both of these features are gonna be just about the same. You're gonna need at least 10 qualifying purchases using your T-Mobile money card, enroll in a T-Mobile postpaid wireless plan. All that means is that you need to have a contract plan and can't have a prepaid account. And you have to register for perks with your T-Mobile ID. You can also qualify for the perks, the 4% APY, and the overdraft protection if you're a Sprint postpaid customer or a Metro customer. I'm still not seeing anything that shows me that I need this card. Come on, T-Mobile money, help me out. What am I missing? All right, so from everything I see here, in my opinion, this is a alleged cash grab card, because I don't really see anything here that says you have to have this card. So from 0 to 5 stars, 0 being the worst, 5 being the best, I give this card 2 stars. It does have a few things going for it, like the 4% APY up to $3,000 and the $50 got your back overdraft protection. But there are other cards that offer similar APYs and overdraft protection that have a ton more features and a ton more perks. On top of that, T-Mobile was just slapping their brand on somebody else's IT. To take it a step further, it's going through another bank. So I hope I was able to answer some of your questions on this card. Don't forget to check out all my other card reviews and money hacks. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.